This is one possible version of the arithmetic operations menu activity. In the main function, we have here two character variables. First one, ch, it will store the menu choice that will be entered by the user. OPTR stands for the operator symbol, which I'll be using later when I display the result. Integers x and y are for the two integer inputs. Result will store the result of the operation. So in the do while, this is the menu. It's just one cout, long cout statement. Starts here, ends here. After displaying the menu, there's the input. Input goes to the ch variable. And right after that, we have here that an if statement. This will make sure that the prompt for input will only appear if the choice that is entered by the user is valid. So if they are these characters A, S, M, D, and O, only when that condition is satisfied will the prompt appear and allow for the inputs. So assuming that the characters are valid, we move on, and the inputs are entered. So there's the switch statement, and if there's a match, let's say the user enters capital A, the operator will be the plus symbol, and then get sum will be called. So here below are the functions. So they are simple enough. I didn't declare extra variables. I just used one in the computation. I just place it inside the return statement. And in the getQuote function, it will divide only if the denominator is not 0. Otherwise, it will return 0. This is arbitrary because there's no division by 0. So because I have all these functions, they're all declared above here. These are the function prototypes. So let me go back again to the switch statement. So let's say the user entered capital A, symbol for the addition is plus, it goes to OPTR, then get sum is called. Upon returning, the result will go to result, and then break. So we go here, go outside of the switch, and then there's an if. If the condition is satisfied, so the condition, it checks if the input done by the user is valid. So if the input is valid, then only then will the result be displayed. So it will display the first input followed by whatever the operator symbol is, followed by the second input, then equal sign, then the result of the operation. And then this is checked. Of course, it's not X, so it goes back again and prints the menu. Let's run this program. So the menu appears. Let's say the first input is A. Enter two integers, my favorite numbers, 1 and 2. Here's the result. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So next input, let's say division. And I'm dividing 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Let's do the division again. This time, let's try the division by 0. So let's say I input 4 and 0. It should return 0. So 4 divided by 0 is equal to 0. And when I press an invalid choice like W, it doesn't do anything. Let me input another invalid choice. So it just does not do anything. It doesn't even display. It doesn't bother to display an error message. It just won't perform the arithmetic operations. That's how I designed the program. So and when I want to exit, X.